Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making chocolate ice cream without an ice cream maker. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get right into it. We do not want to end up with a runny ice cream, so starting off, we put our mixing bowl in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we take it out and start our ice cream. Now in our mixing bowl, we added 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream, and then we went in with our hand mixer. We whip or mix it up for about 5 minutes or until it's fluffy and a bit stiff, okay? If you don't have a hand mixer, go ahead and use your egg whisk. Once you achieve a consistency like so, you go ahead and add your condensed milk. We used 390 grams of cold condensed milk. Once you add your condensed milk, mix it up with your heavy whipping cream until it's well incorporated or well mixed up, okay? And then we move on by adding our star ingredients, what actually makes it a chocolate ice cream: cocoa powder. So we added half a cup of cocoa powder, and what we did was to add it gradually with a spatula, just so the cocoa powder doesn't create a mess, okay, or doesn't splash around. So we mix it gradually until we added all the cocoa powder. Once we were done, then we went back in with a hand mixer to mix it again for about a minute or two, just so the cocoa powder will break down properly and mix properly with the other ingredients. We also added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then we mix everything together. Once the cocoa powder is well mixed up with the other ingredients, your ice cream is ready to go into the freezer. However, just to be a little extra, I added chocolate chips. It's totally optional though, but in the squad, why not? So once you put in your chocolate chips, you mix it together with your ice cream, and then you transfer it into your bowl that you'll be putting in the freezer. So one trick is, once you are mixing your ingredients, as soon as you take out your mixing bowl from the fridge, put in the bowl that you'll be transferring the ice cream into, put it in the freezer while mixing up. So once you are done mixing, you take it out of the freezer and transfer the ice cream into it, just so that it will be cold to receive your ice cream. Again, the idea here is we don't want runny ice cream, okay? Now when it comes to presentation, you all know how we do it here. So we had to garnish the top of our ice cream with some chocolate chips, and then we covered our ice cream bowl with a cling film, and then we transferred it into the freezer. Now 6 hours later, our chocolate ice cream was ready to serve. Again, who else will bring you recipes that are not just delicious but are very simple to make, like we do on here? So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so now. Subscription is totally free, and if you've never shared our video today, hit that share button and send it to a friend, send it to a family member. And also don't forget to like, just put a like, just hit the like button. It's also free, okay? And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you. Tell us how you be serving your ice cream. We topped ours with some chocolate syrup and my favorite biscuit, Oreos. So tell us how you'll be serving your ice cream in the comments today. Everybody who watches this video, I want to see your comments, so please leave us a comment. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.